Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the J16 Pro through wireless earbuds. Yeah, crisp sound within reach with 5.4 chip and a hi-fi audio with clear calls, noise cancelling, and it's for iOS and Android. Possible to connect them and all other devices out there possible too with Bluetooth, because these are Bluetooth headphones, in-ear Bluetooth headphones with 6 microphones, an ENC noise cancelling function for a clearer calls. These are headphones, wireless headphones with a 5.4 BT, HiFi D bus, and USB-C headphones to recharge the bass. 48 hours of playback time are possible with the bass. LED screen IPX7 waterproof, so it's sporty earphones in different colors available. As you can see here, in white and black, in purple, in lilac blue, or something else, and so on. A lot of colors are on the market, but they are all powerful. Detailed sound with 13mm drivers, because the large 13mm drivers delivers a powerful bass, clear treble, and a balanced, natural sound across the entire frequency range from 20 Hz up to 20 kHz. Every note is accurately reproduced, so the music lovers out there and movie fans and gamers can enjoy a detailed room-filling listening experience. This J16 Pro in-ear headphones are the ideal choice for on the go, at home, or while gaming too. And crystal clear calls with fixed mics and an ENC technology. That means we have 6 SIX microphones with an ENC reduced disturbing the background noises and ensures a clear voice transmission in any situation. During a private phone call, in a video conference, in gaming, or on the go, in noisy environments such as train, bus, or coffee. The in-ear headphones are compatible with iOS, so Apple devices, and Android, like Samsung and so on, or Google smartphones, as well as personal computers, laptop, and other Bluetooth devices. And they are ideal for leisure, for communicating, for work and study. And as you can see, they are ultra light with only 3.7 G. 3 pairs of ear tips as M&L are included for individual fit. That means each earphone, earbud weighs only under 4 grams and sits so comfortably that I hardly notice that we are wearing it. These ear tips allows us to choose the right size for our ears, for a secure hold and high varying comfort, and at the same time the optimized sound quality. Thanks to the IPX7 waterproof resistance, the earbuds are sweat and waterproof, so they are ideal companion for outdoor activities such as running, cycling, or outdoor training and workouts. With the bass, we can up to go to 48-hour playing time. USB-C fast charge with striking large dual LED display. The earbuds delivers up to 6 hours of playback after only 1 hour of charging time. The charging case comes with an additionally 42 hours. A total of 48 hours are so possible. 80 for a whole week of use. The large LED dual display clearly shows the remaining battery of the Bluetooth headphones and charging case, so we don't have to worry about the energy while communicating, traveling, or on the go. That's perfect as a gift for ourselves or loved ones. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.